Today's lesson, Interactive Achievement Board. In this lesson you'll learn how to create an engaging, interactive achievement tracker. We'll cover designing a responsive grid layout, adding smooth CSS transitions and transforms, creating dynamic JavaScript interactions, implementing a modern, flat design aesthetic, using local storage to save the state of achievements. Let's explore how we can make achievements come alive on the screen. We start with the critical viewport meta tag that ensures mobile devices properly apply our media queries, making our responsive design effective. The opening HTML structure includes the page wrapper and achievement board divs. Inside the board header, a title and a total points display are set up to provide an immediate progress overview. Within the achievements grid, each achievement card is defined with unique data attributes, an emoji icon, a title, a description, and an unlock button for interactivity. The CSS begins with a style tag. The body block resets margin, applies the inter font, and sets a light gray background for a modern look. The page wrapper block uses flexbox properties to center the content both vertically and horizontally, ensuring the board remains centered regardless of screen size. The border box ensures that the padding is included within the container's height and width. The achievement board block styles the main container with a white background, rounded corners, a subtle box shadow, padding, and a maximum width for a distinct card-like appearance. The board header block employs flexbox with a column layout to center the header content, and adds a bottom margin for separation from the grid below. The total points block highlights the progress display with increased font size, bold text, and a blue color to attract attention. The achievements grid block sets up a 3-column CSS grid with gaps between items, ensuring a balanced and responsive layout that later adapts via a media query. The achievement block styles each achievement card as a vertically stacked flex container with a light background, rounded corners, padding, and a smooth transition for hover effects. The hover state for the achievement block applies a slight upward translation and an enhanced box shadow, providing dynamic visual feedback on interaction. The achievement icon block increases the font size of the emoji icons, and adds a bottom margin to ensure they stand out from the text. The unlock btn block styles the unlock button with an emerald green background, white text, padding, rounded corners, and a smooth background transition to indicate interactivity. Its margin top is set to auto, to align it to the bottom edge. The unlock btn hover block further darkens the button on hover, reinforcing the interactive feedback. The achievement unlock block changes the background color to a light emerald green and adds a border, visually indicating that the achievement has been unlocked. The achievement unlocked unlock btn block modifies the button's appearance for unlocked achievements by changing its background color and setting the cursor to default to signal that it is no longer clickable. A media query targets devices with a maximum width of 768 px, switching the achievements grid to a single-column layout to maintain usability on smaller screens. The opening of a script tag marks the beginning of the JavaScript section, responsible for interactivity and persistence. The JavaScript waits for the DOM to fully load all nodes and selects all achievement elements and the total points element, ensuring that all elements are available for manipulation. The Save Achievement State function iterates over each achievement to capture its unique ID and unlock status, then stores this state as a JSON string in local storage for persistence. The Load Achievement State function retrieves the saved achievements from local storage. It checks for unlocked achievements, updates their visual state by adding classes and changing button text, and recalculates the total points accordingly. Immediately after its definition, the Load Achievement State function is invoked to restore any saved state when the page loads. To make buttons functional, event listeners are attached to each unlock button. When a button is clicked, if the achievement isn't already unlocked, it marks the achievement as unlocked, updates the total points display, and saves the new state to local storage. Finally, the JavaScript closes the DOM content-loaded event listener and the script tag, ensuring all code is encapsulated and executed only after the document is fully loaded.